welcome to today we will do an unboxing and on table with some toys. Cut that toy. First of all, we don't have a teeny mutant turtle Raphael. There he is. And then on the Ninja Turtles. I can open the tutorials. We might have to do this fast. So let this do happen. What I opened. So I didn't say, but here it is. So now we're putting it there. See the part? This your part what I need to get. Are you take me a dumb doing that bitch? So now we done drop open two more Hot Wheels. And that boots. Here. Anywhere you want to do with them, when you need them. But time to, if you need them, I don't use them somewhere. But not known for. Oh, that's nice. Here's a Tekken toy. Now we done for Hot Wheel. So, okay. That's a hard one. I haven't checked yet. It's not here, but look here. It's 11th torn on the package, but here it is. So we're all putting them this way. And now I'm opening up my own. My Ninja Turtles. Okay. Finally got it open. It's not out yet, but now I did. It's a normal poo, but that one can't really move. then we put both of them weapons on. I might have did it the wrong way, but maybe it's one of these. I think for my channel. Nice. Can't really stand up at all. Okay. Finally, animal. That's on please 9. And that's Parky. So, I just have a Parky open. And yeah, there it died. All the toys. Oh, I opened. If I have more, I'll show it to you guys. I try not to read as much as I can. And subscribe and hit that like button. Now that they're going to show up. Oh, damn. Their draw. Don't do it. There it is. Now we don't remember your portrait. You might do more unboxing. Give a like if you want me to do more unboxing videos. There it is. That's one. Now, my trailer. I think it might be. I'll tell you my favorite one too. I opened my part pack. This one. God, that will be an end of it for you. Peach.